Hello everyone, it's me, Saiyam Rajgariha here from Shankari school in grade 10 to derive you the formula to find the volume of a cylinder. Today we are going to use these materials to help you derive the formula for the volume of a cylinder. Here in this material we have a cylinder which is divided into 8 equal slices which will derive you and tell you about how we find the volume of a cylinder. For the other, we have two materials here which will derive the formula and help you understand it in an easy and conceptual way. Today, I'll derive the formula in two different ways using these materials. First, to understand how a cylinder is formed, we will look at this. Cylinder is simply a pile of circles laid on top of one another. To understand this even more, let's take this circle. This circle's area, the space occupied by it, is pi r square. Let's keep two of them on top of one another. This is 2 pi r square. The area of them multiply with the number of circles. This here, with 5 different circles, is 5 pi r square. Using this, we see how a cylinder is formed. A cylinder is an area of circle multiplied by how many circles are on top of one another. Using this, we understand how the cylinder is formed. Now that we've known how a cylinder is formed, let's keep this material aside. In this material, we have this circle as its base. The formula for its area covered is pi r square. Let's bring another circle with the same dimension. Them laid on top of one another creates a cylinder. Now look at this cylinder. Its height, its h number of circles. In this way, we understand that the number of cylinders piled on top of one another is multiplied with the area of a circle. It creates the volume of a cylinder. Now that we know this is a circle with the area covered as pi r square, let's take two circles. This is 2 pi r square. Similarly, let's consider this as height h. There are h numbers of circles piled on top of one another. This gives us the formula pi r square h, the area of the circle multiplied by h times of circles. Now that we've known how it is derived in this way, let's move to another. In this material, we have a cylinder that is divided into 8 equal slices. Here, the outer perimeter of the circle is known as the circumference, while from any distance from the center to the circumference is known as radius. To find the circumference of a circle, the formula is 2 pi r. That is, the circumference of this circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r as the radius. Now, let's arrange this same material into a different way. Now that we have arranged the same material into a different shape, this gives us this new shape. It's a cuboid. This is known as length, L. This will be denoted by B, breadth, while this remains the same constant, H. As we know, the length is half of the circumference of the circle. The breadth is the radius, while the H is same. This shows that the length is half of pi r, 2 pi r. 2 pi r's half, pi r is the length, breadth is r, h remains the same h. We know the formula for volume of a cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. The length here is pi r multiplied by the breadth r multiplied by the height h. This gives us the formula pi r square h. This activity today proved that the formula to find the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. I hope you understood on how to find the volume of a cylinder. Thank you.